I flow through your blood, the life-giving fluid that connects every cell in your body. We RBCs are born in bone marrow and spend our lives carrying oxygen, one journey at a time. I'm an RBC, a tiny biconcave disc packed with hemoglobin. That's a pigment that gives blood its color. And its purpose? In your lungs, I meet oxygen. Each molecule binds to my hemoglobin, forming bright red oxyhemoglobin. When I reach your tissues, I release that oxygen, keeping every cell alive. My shape isn't just for looks. It helps me squeeze through the thinnest capillaries. I have no nucleus, no mitochondria, only the will to work without rest. The heart is my engine. It sends me racing through arteries, slowing in capillaries, and returning through veins. This loop, pulmonary and systemic, never stops even while you sleep. After about 120 days, my time ends in the spleen, the graveyard of RBCs, but I don't truly die. My iron lives on, reborn in new red cells. One drop of blood holds millions like me, working silently, carrying life in every heartbeat. Respect your RBC because they never stop for a single moment.